Hi, it's Koya here, and we are on day 3 of your chakra smoothie challenge. So again, this is 7 days, but if you find recipes you love, you can always repeat a day. Again, if you just want to do your grown American superfood and water, you can do that. There's so many options in this challenge. It's really not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. So try as many of these recipes as you can and just be consistent and adding your fruits and vegetables in every day however you can. All right, so with that, let's talk about today's solar plexus smoothie. And we're gonna add pineapple, almond milk, bananas, and instead of lemon, I'm using lime because lime is even more alkaline than lemon. And really getting your body to its most optimal state is putting as many alkaline things in it as you can. So just by doing the smoothie and the grown American superfood, you're making your body more alkaline, which is gonna give your body the tools that you need to be at optimal health. All right, let's get started with this. So first I'm gonna pour in about a cup of almond milk. Oh yeah, this is unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And then I'm going to have 2 bananas. And you'll notice some days I have 1 banana, some days I have 2 banana. And you know, a lot of people that I know of are a little bit scared of eating fruit. The thing is, fruit, especially whole fruit, it has the fiber intact. So it's actually going to help balance out the sugar that the actual fruit contains. Things in nature are perfect. So remember that when you're eating, and don't be afraid, because I went about 2 years with no fruit, and I noticed when I added fruit back to my diet, my eyes were more vibrant, my skin was more vibrant, and I just felt better all around. So I hope you're feeling the energy from these smoothies every day. I'm gonna squeeze about a half a lime in there. Oop, you know what? Let me show you a trick. So you take this lime and you put it between both. You squeeze yourself, squeeze juice in your face. That's one way to do it. Thank God I know how to close my eyes really fast. All right, we put that in. And to sweeten, I had this whole batch of dates. So I'm gonna use dates again, but to be honest, I do use stevia as well, and it's only the liquid stevia. So today, I'm gonna only use 2 dates, and I'm gonna grab my stevia. Just in case you don't have dates, you can grab some stevia. This is French vanilla liquid stevia. You can add a drop or 2 of that in, and that can be an optional sweetener for you. 1, 2. That's all you need. You really don't need much because the fruit is sweet itself, but if you wanted to add more, you can do that, or you can just stick with the natural dates. And now we're gonna add your grown American superfood that we're gonna add to every single smoothie, and we are ready because again, the solar plexus chakra is all about confidence and standing in your power. You're standing in your power already just by making this smoothie and maintaining your health. So doing that is a start of really standing in your power, taking control of your health. So, are you ready for the blender cookie? Let's give it a go. Wait a minute, did I put pineapple in that? I did. So, if you make a mistake like I did, it's okay. I just realized it's not that yellow. So we're gonna put a cup of pineapple in there, or more than a cup. You know, again, it's not about being perfect. I've done so many smoothie recipes in my lifetime. Some of them turn out great. Some of them turn out like, not so great, but these are tried and tested. So you can trust these smoothies, but if you're missing an ingredient, you leave something at the store, don't worry. You're still gonna get your servings of fruits and vegetables, and it's still gonna be good, and you still have your superfood, so you're winning all the way. All right, so let's get on that blender boogie again, shall we? And so what I say is to the left, to the left, to the right, and blend it around. Ready? And then by the time I'm done with our blender boogie, the smoothie's ready. Oh yeah, That made it a lot more creamy, and it looks absolutely delicious. Look at how divine that looks. Yay! I am so ready for this. Cheers to your health and to your confidence. Oh my God. You gotta love pineapples. I love pineapples. Also, pineapple has bromelain in it, and it's really great if you're trying to maintain a specific weight or even lose weight. It's really gonna help you with those goals and your nutrients, vitamins, minerals, everything you need right in your morning smoothie. Until next time, get loved up.